Do you want to know how to put a background behind your text, like this and this? Well, today we're going to learn how. Hi, I'm Kim Morrison from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Let's go over to my Canva screen and I'll show you how to put a background behind your text in Canva. I use backgrounds behind my YouTube thumbnail texts to make them really stand out and look bolder, as you have to stand out on the crowded channel that is YouTube. I'll show you how to do it. This is the thumbnail I'm preparing for this video. To start with, I just copy an existing base design, and then I'm going to change my font first of all. I want to make it bolder and chunkier. I'm going to go to my brand kit heading font of Agrandir Narrow Black. And that's changed it. And that gives it a very different look already. I'm going to leave this one in my other brand font for subheadings. Now I'm going to add a background. And all you have to do is go to Effects. Click on the Effects button. And you can see you have all these different effects that you can apply. Lifts, shadows, echoes. And what I'm going to do is put a background on. As you can see, it's come out in a very strange color at the moment, but that's very easy to remedy. And I'm going to change that to one of my brand colors. And I'm going to change it to this orange because that's nice and bold. And then the pink doesn't really go. I'm going to click on font color and I'm going to change that to white. Now you can see it's much bolder. Now if I want to change the size of this, I can, as usual, just do the plus button to make it stand out more. If I change the layout of this, it'll give it to a much more uniform shape, but I like the quirky shape, but I will show you how it happens. If I just delete the space there, you can see it's got a very different shape. So I'm going to put a return back in there, and I've got a different one now, and I'll probably need to center that. That's how easy it is to make that effect. And you can see it makes it really interesting. I'm now going to add a background to this one. Again, same thing. Go into Effects, go into Background, comes up with a black background to start with. Take a look, and we'll put this into my brand color of pink. And that's all there is to it. It is so simple to make your text really stand out by adding a background. And I love the quirky shapes. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.